Everyone has a different opinion, but you are the Son of God. You are the Savior of the world. You are the way, the truth, the life. Who is Jesus? He's the Savior. Who is Jesus? He is the way. Who is Jesus? He is the truth. Who is Jesus? He is the light. Ooh, 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 you never wrote a book. You never had enough. You never had an iPhone. You never went to university, and you never drove a car. You never traveled 200 miles from home. The people wanna know, who is Jesus? He's the Savior of the world. He's the Savior. Whoa, whoa. Who is Jesus? He is the way. He is the way. The way to the Father. Who is Jesus? He is the truth. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Who is Jesus? He is the light. You never went to London. You never stayed in a hotel, and you never went to New York. You never got married, you never had a job, but we were all his children. You never had a bank account, but you made us all rich, and no power belongs to you. Who is Jesus? He's the Savior. He is my Savior. Who is Jesus? He is the way. He is the way. No. Who is Jesus? He is the truth. He is the truth. Truth can set me free. Who is Jesus? He is the light. And I love him so. Who is Jesus? I love him so. Love me first. Who is Jesus? He is the way. He's the way. Who is Jesus? He is the truth. Who is Jesus? He is the light. He is the Savior. He's the Savior. He's the lover of my soul. Jesus.